Shopify Page Builder tutorial. So is your store looking a bit templatey? In this year, shoppers can spot a basic theme a mile away. To stand out, you need a custom feel without the custom code price tag. Today I'm walking you through the Shopify Renaissance Page Builder. We're moving past basic blocks and into a world of vibe coding and modular design. Let's build something that actually converts. Alright, and firstly, from your admin page, navigate to your online store, and then themes. Choose the one that you're using actively, and click Edit. And then notice the sidebar, it's completely modular now. And to start a new page, use the top drop-down in here, and then select Create a Template. And after that, you can now use the Flex Grid. Instead of being locked into rows, you can drag elements anywhere, and the AI will automatically calculate the CSS grid for you. Then you go this plus, add a section, and type in image. And let's use the image with text block. And also just don't leave it there, use the layering tool to overlap your text for that high-end editorial look. And now let's talk about the real magic, Shopify Sidekick. You open him up right here with this little head icon. And if you're struggling with a layout, you just open him up, open this AI sidebar on the right. It's going to be the panel, and give it a prompt, for example, like something like this. And watch as it reconfigures your padding, fonts, and colors in real time. Pro tip, ask Sidekick to optimize this page for the iPhone 17 screen. It will reorganize your blocks specifically for the latest mobile hardware, ensuring your Add to Cart button is always in the perfect thumb zone. And then, standard photos are fine, but in this year, we want motion. So you can use the new lossy block to drop in animated stickers or icons that react to the user's scroll. So set your scroll reveal to cinematic. This makes your sections fade and slide into place as the user moves down the page. It's a small detail that makes your store feel like a premium app rather than just another website. And before you hit publish, run a 10-second SimGym session to see how AI simulated customers interact with your new design. If the heat map looks good, you're ready to go live. Hopefully this Shopify tutorial helped you level up your store today. Don't forget to give the video a like and subscribe to the channel.